side is always going to go towards the outside of the disc. So when you slide that into place, you want to push that away. Make sure it's completely seated. You can go through and set one in, let it rotate around. Slide another one in, push it all the way in, let it rotate around. Slide another one in, and push it all the way to the base like that. Now if you just take these, the one that's on the bottom, you can just use your palms right here, set them right down on both sides and snap down on that. And what you're doing when you look at the groove in this, there's a little ridge right here. And when you're pushing that down, you're popping that paddle over top of that and you're locking it in place. And do the next one. Rotate it again. Now I've got the three of them locked in. Take a pin, just start in one end and put it through. Pull it up and turn the next one. Now this is where the piece of plywood comes in handy. So just take that end and set it down in place there. Bend this in. Now I'm keeping a pressure down on this. I've got all three of them on there and I'm going to control them so that I get all three of them to just drop down over top of that pin in the center. Now I'm ready to slide the clip down. And then I grab the pair of pliers and just pull it right in. And you heard that lock. You must hear that snap, that lock in. But you start then on the other end. Now, it's important in the construction of this that you rotate. This paddle that's on the outside here, we want it on the inside on the next one. The center one stays on the center, and then the one that's on the inside now will become on the outside. So that's the one you want to put your pin through first. So you go to your pin, to the middle one. Then you're going to do the same thing again. Just flip it over, set that right in the hole, and bend this one in. When you do that, again, you just put pressure on it, turn it in, and turn all of them. Now, if you don't look right inside of here, I've turned these pins so I have a flat side of the pin towards me. I slip the clip underneath there, just keeping downward pressure on that, and then snap that into place, and that locks the whole thing again.